Congratulations! You have completed the unit about virtual reality. Well done! You have learned a lot about using it with patients with pain.
Let's review some aspects that you should have learned.
You should know the terms used with virtual reality and also the different types of virtual reality glasses and applications. This knowledge will help you decide which hardware and software is suitable for which situation.
You should also have a good knowledge of how to set up VR and any side effects and risks of using virtual reality, such as motion sickness.
This unit also emphasized that it is important to know how effective virtual reality can be with different patients, different types of pain, and what the barriers and facilitators are to using this technology in practice.
Using real-life scenarios, you learned about how to assess patients and support patients to use virtual reality.
We hope that you find some opportunities to use virtual reality in your healthcare areas.
And we would also recommend that you try out virtual reality for yourselves. Many universities and libraries offer the possibility to borrow the glasses.
Most important, stay critical, but don't be afraid of introducing the technology to patients with pain, as it might have major positive effects on your patients. Talk to your team and discuss how to integrate VR in your routines.